Good morning everyone. So I'm outside today, outside school, and I'm in the den making area, as you can see. There's the sign, den making. And I have popped out here to quickly show you something that's changed. And to be honest, I think you've probably all seen it, and you've probably all had the message from your teachers that something's changed. So one of the trees, which was a really great climbing tree, this one here, you will now see has got blue crosses on it, and that's to remind you that we're not going to climb this tree anymore. So it is lovely having climbing trees, but this tree was going to cause possibly someone some injury, because we've got crates and sticks and we've got our den making equipment around this area. So actually we've made a really careful decision that this tree now isn't a climbing tree because of where it is, because it's in the den making area. And if you fall off and you bang into a crate or you bang into a stick, you really might be very injured from that fall. So that's we've thought about the risk, and the risk is in this area it's not safe to climb this tree. You can still sit down at the bottom. I don't mind if you want to sit down here. You can sort of hang off that bit there. That's okay, but we're not climbing now. We're not climbing up anymore. All right, so that's my message for today. Have a lovely day. It looks like it's a nice sunny day today. So see you soon everyone. Bye.